Hi guys, my name is Sai and in this video I am going to talk about how to set screen on time more than 30 minutes or infinite. So if you know, some phones gives the screen on time more than 30 minutes. For example, Redmi is a device which gives screen on time more than 30 minutes. But what about other phones? Or if you are using custom ROM, for example, I am using custom ROM, so which is based on Android 13 and this is a Dufist OS. So what about that option? So if I go on display section, as we can see here, it is the screen timeout, and we can see here it is only 30 minutes is the last we can set screen on time, but no option for infinite or more than 30 minutes. So how can we set? So in this video I will tell you this, how can you set this screen on time more than 30 minutes. But if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and also join our Telegram group and channel where I provide important files and updates. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. So first of all, we need if you are using a custom ROM, then simply go this notification panel and click this edit button, and simply need to find, we need to find caffeine mode. So as we can see here, it is the caffeine mode. Simply add this style. Okay, after adding, just click on it. So if you click once, then you can see here it is, the screen on time is set to 5 minutes. If you click again, then screen on time set to 10 minutes. If you click again, then 30 minutes. And finally, if you click again, then it is set to infinite. That means now our screen on time is infinite. Okay, so this is the option you can set on your custom ROMs. You can enable screen on time more than 30 minutes. So it is very simple. But what about if your device not contain this style? I mean, if your device not contains this type of caffeine option, so how can you enable more than 30 minutes option? So simply go on Play Store and download caffeine application. So simply search caffeine application from Play Store. As we can see, I already downloaded this application. Now simply open this application. After download, open this application, and as we can see here, it is the timeout. So simply click on, and simply you can set infinite. Okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, set according to your requirement. So I am going to set infinite. Okay, so simply set this to infinite if you want screen on time more than 30, or you can set 1 hour also. And the most important thing is, please, we need to go on app info and disable the battery optimization option, otherwise this is not work properly. So go on app battery uses and unrestrict that battery optimization, and now you can good to go to use this application, or you can good to go to use this option. So this is the solution for set screen on time more than 30 minutes. If you like this video, then please like and share this video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.